This is Yaya. I just figured out come on here and vlog a little bit. Today is October 1st, a Monday. 2 days away from my birthday. Pretty excited. Yep, October 3rd, that's my birthday. I'm gonna be turning 31. Pretty exciting stuff. So right now, I'm on my way. First of all, I'm off for a month. I'm on vacation for a month, which a lot of people are like, how is that possible? It's possible because I worked my ass off in the beginning of the year like a dog. I worked, no lie, 56 days in a row. 56 days in a row, which is basically 8 weeks straight without a day off. And it's all voluntary. Of course, they will never make you work that many days without your permission. That's actually not even legal. But it was voluntary. And I was tired as hell, but paychecks were nice. So, and the company I work for, the more hours you put in, the more vacations you accrue. So that's really nice. So since I was putting in all these hours, I was able to accrue enough vacation for a month. So that's good. Well, 3 weeks really, but I mean, it's not that big of a deal. If I don't get paid for the 1 week, it's not that serious. I get paid for 3 out of the 4 weeks. That's good enough for me. So, where was I? I'm headed to do something very touristy. I've been in Orlando now for close to 5 years now, and I still haven't. There's a lot of things I haven't done. I haven't been to Miami. I've lived in Florida for 5 years and haven't been to Miami yet. How's that possible? I've also never done this helicopter tour, very touristy. Always wanted to do it, but who the hell is gonna pay $100 when you have to buy groceries? So now that I'm on vacation and I can afford it, why not? And right after that, well, I mean, I read on the website that a minimum of 2 people is required and a maximum of 3. So I don't know, like, I'm still gonna go over there and ask if I can do it on my own, because I mean, why wouldn't they let me do it when I'm paying them the money? Maybe for safety reasons, but hopefully they let me do it on my own or pair me with somebody else who's there. So yeah, that's where I'm headed right now. And right after that, I'm gonna head to Epcot for the Food and Wine Festival. Do it every year for the last like 4 years. I just go there for maybe about an hour and a half. I'm not getting on any rides. Just going there for the food, sample some exotic stuff. And yes, the portion sizes are small and pretty expensive, but I mean, how often do I do this? So you're given the option of purchasing the whole thing I think is sponsored by Chase. So you're given the option of putting like a certain amount of money on a card and then just using that to buy your food portion sizes or whatever it is you're trying to sample. And that's what I'm gonna do today, so that I'm not just swiping all willy-nilly. So I'm gonna put maybe like $50 on one of those cards and then just use that, and when I run out of the $50, I leave, because I'm not trying to spend too much money on this, but I still want that experience. So I will talk to you guys when I'm headed into the helicopter thing, and hopefully they let me like vlog that as well. Otherwise I will just maybe just take pictures or something. Today is Wednesday, October 3rd, and it is D-Day, my birthday. Oh, this looks really weird on camera. Too close. I am headed to my birthday dinner. It's at a restaurant called Sanaa at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. It's my fave, honestly. It's supposed to be a mixture of African and Indian. To me, it's more Indian than it is African. And trust me, I know I'm African. But this is a restaurant I've been going to for the last 4 or 5 years, every year on my birthday. So I would recommend it if you're ever in Disney. Try out Sanaa. It's at KIDANI Village, which is like the timeshare side of the resort. So this morning I had a birthday breakfast, still at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, but at a different restaurant, and that was fun. It was 6 of us. I was the only female, which is quite nice because I like being the princess. Yeah, that was fun too. So yeah, so day 3 of my vacation, actually day 4 of my vacation. It's quite nice. Tomorrow I have this Halloween party at the Magic Kingdom. Pretty excited about that as well. Did it last year as well. It is alright, so I'm doing it again. And once that's done, I won't have anything planned until the following week. So I have Friday through Tuesday of not much planned. I do have a dentist appointment on Monday early in the morning, and that's about it until Wednesday when I have wine tasting, which should be fun. Again, I did it last year as well, which is why I'm doing it again. I like the wine. I wasn't too crazy about the cheese, but hey, I'll do it again. Something fun to do. And yeah, birthday has been a blast so far. Yeah, last year was really good. This year I'm surpassing it for the number of activities I'm doing, not just on my birthday alone, but like the days before and the days after. Why should my birthday stop on one day, really? Ooh, this person is driving with his gas tank open. So yeah, hopefully I'll be able to vlog a little bit more once I get to the restaurant.
Yes, Andrew.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Diana.
Load up. Yay, happy birthday.
Thank you.
What? I don't think that
You're
I'm too bad.
That I went to a wine tasting at this restaurant called Jiko, and obviously it's at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, and pretty cool stuff. They had 3 different South African wines because that's the theming of the restaurant, of the entire hotel anyways. It's very African themed. They also have animals there. So I did this last year and I decided I'll do it again. So the wine was all dry and all red wines, but I prefer sweet wines, so like Moscato or something like that. And they also had 3 different cheeses to go along with the wines. But for the cheeses, they had blue cheese, they had a cheese called Red Hawk, and another one called something buzzed. I'll see if I can insert the actual name of it when I remembered what it's called. But the first 2 cheeses, they paired them with a strawberry kind of like sweet sauce, and the other one was with like honey. Those were good pairings. I never would pair cheese with something sweet, but it was really good stuff. And then together with the wine, my favorite, even though I'm not really big on dry wine, but my favorite was the very first one. I think it's called Painted Wolf, and again, you're all South African wines. So it was good stuff. It was about an hour and went through like the history, a little bit of the history of the how wine got to be big in South Africa or something like that. So that was pretty neat stuff. But who's listening to all that stuff when there's wine around? You're just thinking, I just want to drink this wine and eat this cheese. And yeah, but they don't give you a whole lot of wine so that you're not like woozy when you leave. Although I was a little bit, just because I had like heels on, and I was just hoping like that I can make it to my car safely, because these heels I have on, you're no joke. It's required that we dress up. There's a dress code for it, because this is like a fancy kind of restaurant, so they won't let you in there with jeans on. So then I look like I'm coming from church or something, and it's Wednesday. But yeah, that was fun stuff. So now I'm driving back home now. Tomorrow I've got horseback riding. That should be interesting. I've never like been on a horse before, so that's gonna be some cool stuff, I hope. And I'll let you guys know how it goes.